what's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl, Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell somebody and tell everybody, because we're litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, your girl has just been going through like all my stuff, and y'all, you ever just go through stuff and forget you purchased stuff, and you just be like, what the hellante? Like, y'all, so just going through my stuff, came across 2 items that I want to do a giveaway with. I've never used them. I believe I unboxed both of these, but I just wanted to be a blessing to 2 people. So, in this giveaway, you got to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Also, if you have social media, follow me on Instagram, and also under the video, comment hashtag Lens 2026. That's Lens 2026. So yeah. So what we're going to be giving away are 2 of these. They're like, I believe they're like action cameras. They're called. Whatever the case may be. As you can see, they're 2 different sizes. I believe I got one from the Expressway and then one from Temu. Both qualities are decent. I just never use them, y'all. I'm trying, Grandpa. Y'all, you know, I wanted to motivate myself to start vlogging. But later on down the road, I might. But I just didn't want this stuff to sit and go to waste. So, yeah, I want to give away 2 of these little portable small action cams. And also, matter of fact, I'm going to throw in DS card for each one. And that's for 128 gigabytes. So yeah, so just make sure you follow the rules, because I'm going to be checking the list and checking it twice. And yeah, may the best family member win. Y'all, I love y'all so much. I always want to thank y'all for y'all support. And thanks for watching. Bye.